Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. So today we'll continue the next method, that is threshing. So what is the meaning of threshing? Threshing is used for separating seeds from the harvested stalks. So there are three methods of a threshing. First is a manual threshing. Manual threshing, when the quantity is small, threshing is done manually. Some bundles of harvested stalks are threshed on a hard surface. This helps in separating the grains. Second is threshing by animals. For large quantity, threshing is done in the traditional way by using animals. For this, stalks are separated, made to walk over the harvested stalks. Trampling by hooves of the animal help in separating grains. That is also is the old method of threshing. The next is the threshing machines. Nowadays, threshing machine are used for the purpose. It can be powered by either diesel engines or electric motor. It help in savings time and labor. So present time में हम जो threshing के लिए method use करते हैं, that is the threshing machines. You can see the pictures. Manual threshing, some person they are doing threshing by manually. The next method is sieving. So what is sieving? This method is used to separate the components that are of different size. For sieving, a sieving is used. Sieve is used. A sieve is a wire mesh fixed tightly in a frame. At home, sieving of bed floor may be done to separate finely ground floor particles from the coarse particle. You can see, everybody know, जब आप अपने घरों में खाना बनाते हैं तो आटा जो आप यूज़ करते हैं सेपरेट करने के लिए, that is a sieve. Next is at construction site, sieving of sand to be separate sand from gravels and pebbles. कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स पे हम लोग इसका यूज़ करते हैं ज़्यादातर सैंड्स से पेबल्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए. द सीव यूज फॉर सच मच बिगर इन साइज एंड साइज ऑफ इट्स होल इज़ आल्सो बिग्स. तो इसके जो साइज़ जो इसका होता है, उसके जो होल्स होते हैं वो बड़े होते हैं. दैट यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स आल्सो ऑफ अ सिविंग्स दैट इज़ डन बाय the sieving done by the floor and sieving at doing at the construction sites. The next method is winnowing. Winnowing is an agriculture method developed by ancient culture for separating grains from chaff. It is used to remove weevils or other pests from store grains. So threshing or loosening of grain or seeds from the husk and straw. In this step, the chaff remove process for come before winnowing. You can see the pictures also. The persons they are doing the winnowing by this method. So this is all about the today. We'll continue the next method tomorrow.